TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Money, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 32, Nasdaq's up 22, S&Ps are up 4, gold contracts down $14, trading at $1,224 an ounce. We have silver down 35 cents, $14.82 an ounce. You got copper. Copper's caught a bid this morning. That is up 6 pennies at $2.12. Bonds, the 10-year down 24 ticks at 130.23. 30-year is off 2 full points at 165.12. Now, both the 10 and the 30, folks, tested their highs, the lows of the highs of Wednesday. They failed on volume on the daily. It looks like they're going to fail on volume on the weekly. We go over to the King Dollar. King Dollar caught a bid out here today. It's up 734 ticks, trading at 98.02. I expect you're going to see that fail on price and volume once again. Hasn't been able to hold that 98 level. Euro. The euro is down 69 at 109, and the yen is trading at 113.72. Now, we come over to the S&P. We look at the SPY. This is what you have happening. The SPY yesterday had taken its swing point out. It took the swing point out with lighter volume. We got over that level, and bottom line is that it looks to me that we're building a larger B2C of an ABC structure on the way down. The first time that we tried to take out the February 1st swing point was on February 22nd. You get over it, had lighter volume, come back underneath it. Yesterday, you get over it, and we cleared it. We're at 195.98 right now. 194.58 was the number. Bottom line, this S&P somehow is going to claw its way up into the 199.83 number. We take a look at the NDX 100, the 3Qs. 3Qs got over the lowest swing point. That lowest swing point was the swing point from the 22nd of February. Got over that with volume. Now that is building cause to get up and over the February 1st one. We're at 103.91. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? We got a Friday. They'll try to whack gold again. This is what we have inside the gold contract right now. Gold's down at $13.20. We're trading at $12.25. You have volume of 107,000 contracts, and guess what? That is a contraction with lighter volume. What that sets up higher prices still coming at us, which is pretty wild. The range on gold right now, it's a huge range. You're talking about $50 range that we've been trading at, $40 range we've been trading at for the last about week and a half. Bonds. Now, the bond market, folks, the 10-year is coming down off the highs, and what you have out here today, and we haven't had this for a while, you're coming down with some juice behind the move. Wednesday, the 10-year spiked once again to 131.25. That 131.25 was testing the high of February 11th. So what we have right now is that you have a failure on price, you have a failure on volume, on the dailies, and I suspect by the time we come into the close out here, more than likely we're going to have it on the weeklies. King Dollar. Let's take a look at King Dollar. So King Dollar out here making a run this morning. And we have with King Dollar, right now it's up 643 ticks. You're trading at a price point of 97.93. We'll see whether it can actually hold the 97.92, never mind the 97.61. It's anemic volume on the way up. When we came down, folks, we came down with 60,000 contracts. What you'll see out here today is that you're going to be lucky to do about 22,000 contracts. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking now. Right back here, Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.